Hello everyone, today I will show you unboxing and my opinion about my new headphone, which is wireless active noise cancellation from Mixcder E9 model. So this is Mixcder E9 wireless active noise cancelling or cancellation headphone. The model is E9. It's wireless Bluetooth headphone, and these are main features: active noise cancelling tech, and second one is around 30 hours playtime, the battery life, and 40 millimeter large aperture drivers, wireless and wired connection. So you got two choices to connect wirelessly, either wirelessly or wired, and then adjustable and foldable design, so you can adjust how you like, and compact with carrying case, compact carrying case. The battery is 500 milliampere battery capacity, rechargeable, built-in rechargeable lithium battery. Playtime are about 30 hours without ANC, and around about 24 hours with ANC. And this is important, this environmental protection design. The design of this product is environmentally protected. So I will be unboxing the headphone. This is with carrying case, compact travel case. Easy to unseal. So open it. So this is information pack, user's manual, Mixcder model E9 wireless headphone, USB cable and colors. And this is the headphone. It's very nice and good quality. This is adjustable and also foldable. How you want, and it's nice, easy to use headphone, and it can detect the ambient noise and create the inverse sound waves to cancel out the noise by the advanced chip. And we got also free airplane adapter included. And user don't have to worry about the battery drain, since it can continuously play music for about around 30 hours. And most importantly, the sound quality is exceptional. The sound is very great, exceptional, and this folding design, adjustable folding design. Very nice, easy. So this is the music in and noise out headphone. Music in and noise out, perfect headphone. I recommend this product, and is better than big brands with reasonable prices. I will leave you the link to check other specifications and features in Amazon, and I will recommend this headphone to purchase. Noise cancelling, to be honest, is very effective and travel sound is super good. Thanks for watching. Bye.